herbal, pain-free, and easy to use. These are the main three claims of this product. But let's see how my experience was when I used this product for the first time. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lirisha. In this video, I'll be trying out the best selling facial wax powder on Amazon India and sharing my review. So this is my hair growth on my chin and lip area. And this is the product that I'm talking about. It's called Mountaineer. The price of this is rupees 399. These are the ingredients and the application instructions. And this is what comes in the pack. The powder, a spoon and a brush. So I'll be taking a bowl and taking a little bit of this powder, mixing it with water and creating a paste. And now let's try it on my chin hair first. So I completely forgot about the brush that came with the pack and I used my finger to apply it on my chin area. It applied quite smoothly and we are supposed to apply it in the direction of the hair growth. If you have watched one of my previous videos, I show you how my hair growth is over a period of 40 days. When I shave, the hair comes back within 2 or 3 days, and if I wax, the hair comes back within 10 to 15 days. So if you have not checked that video, please do check it out. I have shown what products I use to wax my facial hair and how I shave my facial hair and what is beneficial for me. So this is what is remaining after I applied it on my chin and lips. Do wait till the end of the video because I'll be using that extra wax powder on someone else. So I sat in front of a fan and dried it. This is 5 minutes after application. And this is after 10 minutes. The paste is completely dried up. So I'll be taking a wet cloth now. And I'll be wiping it against the direction of my hair growth to remove this dried paste from my face. So I agree with the point where it says it's easy to use. But when it says herbal, I'm not so sure about it because I kind of get the feel like using wheat when using this. Also, you can see that my skin has started turning red over here and I'm rubbing my face multiple times to get rid of the hair and it is causing some irritation. A patch test is recommended before you use this product. My skin is not sensitive, so I thought this would work very well for me. So most of the hair is easily gone with this wax powder. And some of the stubborn hair still remains. But please watch till the end of the video because I'll also be showing how long this lasted for me. 5 minutes after applying this, my eyes started stinging so badly and are even stinging at this point, and I just wanted to get done with this. I'm still trying to remove that stubborn hair, but I don't think they'll come off. So this is how my chin looks finally after removing the hair. I am not impressed. This looks so weird, like I have a stubble. And let's see how it works on my upper lip hair. So even here, the hair did not come off completely. I had to rub multiple times. Guys, honestly, shaving is so easy. I can shave my upper lip hair in literally 20 seconds and can do it perfectly. So this is such a hassle. See how messy my upper lips and my chin area look. And 10 to 15 minutes after I removed this, my skin started burning so much that I had to sit with ice pack for about 15 minutes on my face. So regarding the third claim, pain-free, it was definitely not pain-free for me. And the remaining wax powder, I used it on my husband's beard because I really wanted to see how it works on really thick hair. So here I'm using a brush to apply this on his beard. I'll be fast forwarding this part because we don't want to waste time and we just want to see the end results. So now this is him trying to remove this paste from his face and not even a single hair came off. He waited till it completely dried up, but it was of no use. Anyway, I had to go out that day and this is how my skin was looking. You can still see those tiny spots. I have worn makeup over here and my skin is red and burning in the sun actually. And guys, by the end of the day, I applied so much healing ointment because I couldn't bear the burning sensation. And it was the same with my husband. So this is just day 3 and you can see how my hair has grown so quickly. Honestly, waxing is so much better than this. And this is how my skin looks on day 4. My skin is peeling and with makeup on it was looking even more weird. I want to let you know that everyone's skin is different. So this product might work for a lot of people. But unfortunately it did not work for me and I was really sad about it. But I'll be using it on my hands and feet instead of my face because I think waxing is the best for my chin hair. So by day 5, this is my hair growth. You can see some skin has come out over there. Friends, I also uploaded a video on the Tir Tir Cushion Foundation and I am in love with the foundation. And do you see the scar on my chin? So this was day 7 and I waxed my face before filming that video, and I didn't know that my skin had not healed. This scar is very visible in that video. So anyway, here I'm using the cheapest facial wax strips that are available on Amazon India, the Hillary Rhoda facial wax strips. I'll be uploading a video on these facial wax strips and show you how they worked for me. So yes friends, this was my review on the facial wax powder from Mountaineer. By day 6, I had a lot of hair growth and had to wax again. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have used this facial wax powder, please do share your review in the comments, because your experience might be different and might help a lot of people who are watching this video. A request to please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.